Well, visitors to North Norfolk and particularly Wells on Sea will recognise this car park at the end of the beach road with access to the very well recognised and famous beach huts on the rear of these rather large sand dunes planted by the Holcombe estate with a variety of pine trees. The footpath that leads from the car park first leads you past this rather large lake, which in summertime has rowboats on it. It's a part of the Holcombe Nature Reserve, been planted with, as I say, a variety of pine woods to stabilise the dunes. Lots of seals off the coast here, and you are warned if you are letting dogs to keep them under control at all time, because you may well seasonally come across seal pups in the dunes. Water in the lake was incredibly clear this spring. It's quite a large stretch of water with a small number of ducks on it. Don't see fishing allowed on the lake. I think it is just a nature reserve. This is a path that leads away from the car park. It's usually pretty safe if you've got good control of your dogs to let them off lead quite soon. Plenty of dogs use this part. You tend to walk along this towards the dog-friendly area of the beach, as if you make your way directly from the car park over the dunes. That area of the beach is non-dogs. There are steep steps leading up to the top of the sand dunes. We didn't go up this one. I prefer to walk along the back of the sand dunes through the pine woods. It's a beautiful, dappled sunshine walk most parts of the year. Here's Kate with Sophie. Usually let one off at a time. Pups were quite young at this stage when we walked earlier in the season. Good area for training them. Get lots of socialisation with other dogs on this beach as well. It's a great area if you have got dogs with you to bring them. That's a pretty good sit stay, wasn't it? Okay, we're just about at the end of the footpath. There are some public toilets just to the left here, last facility before you make your way up onto the beach. Gentle ramp at this stage, but be warned there are steps at the end of this, as we'll show you in just a minute. One of the best views in Norfolk, just about to come into view at the top of this ramp. Well, in my opinion anyway, just look at that. Beautiful sea, probably about half a mile away at very low tide. This is an enormous stretch of sand dune beach. It brings you down just behind the row of beach huts. And as you pass through these, the full beauty of Wells Beach comes into view. To the left, we're looking towards Holcombe, Thornage, Brancaster, and west. And to the east, the tidal cut making its way down into Wells Harbour. If you're expecting to swim off this beach, you've got a long walk most of the day, and it's not recommended that you swim or let dogs loose in the actual tidal cut, because the flows and tidal flow through there is really quite severe. Beach itself just goes on and on. You can walk all the way back towards Holcombe in one direction. If you've got dogs with you, you can't make your way towards the east from here really, because that's the no dogs area of the beach. But there's plenty of dogs walking out towards the Holcombe end. Sand dunes in this area are constantly moving. It's never the same from year to year. In the far distance, you may just about be able to make out some of the wind turbines that sit in quite large numbers off the coast now. But it's an absolutely beautiful place to come and walk your dogs. A little bit about Wells. This is the old High Street, my favourite bit of Wells. Beautiful lokes and alleys leading off these old, what were commercial properties at one stage. There's no commerce or open shops on this section now. They've all been converted into residential. Some absolutely fantastic Georgian and Victorian properties on what was the old commercial high street.